Alrighty folks, we are back here at Denver Airport after only a little less or over 2 months in December of 2025. Let's see how the train is running and see what kind of train car we get, the old or the new. And it looks like we got the 300R vehicle models and we got car number 50. So we're gonna have a female voice while on board. Don't know why those sets of doors open, but what you gonna do? Sorry about my camera angle. I'm trying to get it the best without any reflections at all. These trains are also very packed. Here, I'm gonna move the camera down a little bit so you guys get a better view of the tunnel. More of like in the center. Should be moving soon.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all A gates.
I just felt a jolt, now we're moving. These trains start up so smoothly. Love the sound of these motors. It's not as good as the older vehicles. I feel like more and more new vehicles are being delivered to the airport as time passes. And there's less of the CX100 vehicles and C100s, which I find to be very sad since I used to ride them as a kid. Here we are approaching Concourse A.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all A gates. Exit here for all A gates.
Here at A. Don't know what that click sound was. Probably the interlocks on the doors.
Please watch your step.
I see one of the new vehicles at Concourse B, or it might just be leaving Concourse B. Yep.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates.
And I don't know if you can see in the distance, but in the distance there is a green signal. It used to be red because there's a train up ahead. But since it's green, that means we can proceed. Just like on a regular subway or transit system, there's signals and everything to make sure that there is no accidents or anything like that. I also forgot to mention, I will be dedicating this video to a few users, which I'll have tagged in the description below of this video. So if y'all are watching this, enjoy this video. And for some odd reason, we're slowing down as we approach B.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all B gates.
I don't know what's going on.
Exit here for all B gates.
I find that to be very odd because we'd be going around 30 or 32 miles an hour right now.
Please watch your step.
And I am honestly predicting that we're gonna probably go a little bit slower than normal speed as we leave Concourse B to C. And a lot of people are getting off at this station. Should be moving any second now. The signal up there is green.
The doors are closing. Please be clear and hold on for departure to all C gates.
Should be, oh, there we go. Just felt a little jolt. That knows that we're moving. The first ventilation shaft is out, but the first one is on. Yeah, there is a speed restriction. So I don't know what's going on. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments below. Now we're going about 10 miles an hour. Normally we would be going about 32, which I don't understand why we're going so slow. But it is what it is.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all C gates.
Here we are approaching C. I find this to be very odd. Now we're going even slower.
Exit here for all C gates. Please watch your step.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys.